Good day, good people. Welcome to Gufugulu. Today's AOT of the day is the IdolMaster Cinderella Goes Weiss Schwarz TCG. And we have a booster box to open. At the back of the box, we get to see the card count, 5 OFRs, 48 SPs, and so on. This is gonna be a good box. Let's start opening. Every box comes with a box topper. And for this box, we get some characters field card. Let's go straight into the cards. This looks like some party. Sleepyhead. Inside the music shop. I see cake at the back and a drink. Looks like mocktail. Halloween. Oh, the card says Halloween code. At the theme park. Lost in the jungle. Making coffee or home barista. Starry go round. Meow meow hairband. This looks like a shopkeeper. I think I see some food. This looks like some anime introduction song scene. Blushing girl. Nightwear girls. This one will be PG. Videoing the cat. Getting trapped in strings on sports day. Pose. Twist. Checking out the neighborhood cat. Mushroom collection. She framed up the mushrooms. Card says twin. Girl with ice cream that's melting. Autograph time. Vast world. Sunflower. Picking grapes. Bathing in orange. Dress photoshoot. Love Destiny. Sing the prologue. And she has a treasure box of toys. Shabon song. I think of sha-la-la-la-la. Taking the bus. Cleaning sweat. Wink. At the beach. Voyager. Give me your hand. With love. Oh, and they're petting a sea creature. Reminds me of the time when I touched a pink dolphin. Nail polish. Trying to chop the watermelon. Oh, and that's my autograph card for the box. It's not the main hit yet, so hold on. And this is a nice looking card. Look at the foil. It has a bird and a cat. Let me try that pose. I think most people can do this. Let's do both hands. Okay, we continue. Oh, we got another kimono. The Chinese word says youth. This has a Christmas theme. Halloween costume, the villain's night. Photographer doing photography. Oh, we have Candyland. No, Desertland. Hugging a book. High five. Ice cream time. I just had McDonald's pineapple Oreo McFlurry. It was good. Reading time. Taking a break. Starry go round. Looks like a clothes shop. Doing some gardening. Is she doing some gymnastics? Paper plane origami. Wow, this says we gaga over you. Gaga, ooh la la. Cut it. Bakery class licking. Trying to see what's inside the bowl. Playful spots. We got a chemist. Tang tang tang. Bride. Kind lady giving handkerchief. Grooming time. It's winter. This looks like some magic show. Girly chit chat. Yes, party time. This looks like the girl in the cool trout deck. I opened that a few days ago, so you can check that on my channel. I'll drop a link in the description below. What is that? Oh, mushrooms. Hot spring. I wanna go Japan again. Smitten over candy. Drinking orange juice. Wait, or is that peach? Wow, this card looks interesting. In the fashion shop. I was just looking at clothes outside yesterday. Playing a game during Halloween. She must have returned from trick-or-treating. See her shirt. Stress. One-eyed Jack reading a magazine. She's looking at clothes. The next page says crazy sky. Smile at the camera. This makes me think of Demon Slayer. Some drinks are being served. She's pointing at something. It looks like those Make-A-Wish papers. Cheers. The card says, "'Tis love that makes me..." You can fill in the blanks. Oh, they look like female pilots. Office lady drinking coffee. Costume party. She looks like a racer. Eating soba. Drinking a canned drink. Photo shoot pose. Reminds me of a childhood photo shoot I did. Had almost the exact same pose. Painting everywhere. We've seen this card already. Actually, this set has a lot of unique cards. Stargazing. And eating shrimps. Going for seconds. That was a lot of cards. It's a lazy Sunday for me. Hold on, I have not shown my main hit. My main hit was sent to BGS, and it was my first time. Also, I only bought one box of these Cinderella girls, and I got an awesome hit. So awesome I sent it flying to the US. And this card is so good because it has food. Strawberry Sundae. Let's see. Centering 9.5, ages 10, corners 10, surface 10. So close to get all 10s. Wow, but to get 10 on my first graded card from one Cinderella Girls booster box, that's truly one box magic. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you can like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye bye. I appreciate all who stayed till the end. To watch more, click one of the videos. Thank you.